Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up a new Google account on Android device. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, you can open your settings application on your Android phone, and after you have your settings application opened, you can go to the account and backup. You can scroll down to find it, this one. Click on this accounts and backup setting. In here you have to select manage accounts. Okay, and you have to scroll down again until you find the add account option. And since we want to set up a new Google account, we can click on Google, and here you have to wait for a moment. It's still loading. And here we can set up a new Google account on our Android device. We can sign in with our Google account. We have to input our email and our phone if we want to sign in. We can also create new account by clicking on this create account, and we just need to click on next after we complete the step. And I guess that's how we can set up new Google account on Android device. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.